So it's been a while since I put a video on YouTube, but I wanted to show you guys, made a bull roarer the other day. And a few things. I was just dealing with firewood and happened to find a pretty good piece. Thinned it out, did a little wood burning design on there. But I find that they work pretty well if you put a bevel on opposing sides. And also that this knot, basically I take the string and I make it as tall as me twice, tie it in a loop, and then this is the knot that I do so that it cinches on itself. And I find that that spins really well and produces a good sound. And hopefully we'll get some sound out of this guy today. It is pretty windy, but hopefully it'll work. So I just wanted to give it a test run for you. Oop, gotta get it spun up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Okay, gonna shorten it up a little bit.